it will shock you that not every channel you see with millions of subscribers on YouTube is actually monetized. Yes, because you see a channel with 1 million subscribers, 2 million subscribers does not mean that channel is monetized. All right. Now, this might, be due to different factors affecting affecting a particular channel, which maybe have caused YouTube to remove it from their partner program. Okay. And most often it is due to the niche this particular channel is focused in or engaged in. So today I want to share you some key niches you should avoid as a content creator on YouTube. Avoid these niches because if you're someone in this type of niche, you can never be too careful. I've been a victim, and so many big creators have also been victims to this niche. It's not like maybe you think I'm a small creator, that's why YouTube will treat me this way, or YouTube is not discriminating, between small creators and big creators. They have rules and regulations that guide their platform. Okay, so if you take a look at this channel, you will see that this channel is, has over 1.5 million subscribers. This was my niche. This was my previous niche. I had to switch because of, the difficulties surrounding this niche. All right. So this channel was one of my key, or how do I call it? This creator was like a role model to me when I was in this niche. But something happened. This creator came online about 2 months ago and said YouTube took down 50 of her contents. Do you understand? 50 of her contents. Reasons being that these contents violated, their community guidelines. Now I was curious, like 50 of your contents, and these contents have been on your channel for more than 6 months. What could have triggered this? Now, this lady is in the make money online niche. All right. These contents had been on the channel for close to 6 months, and YouTube brought 50 plus down and demonetized her channel immediately. I almost lost my channel to this same, issue. Now, if you're someone in this make money online niche, you need to be very careful. Okay, YouTube is against claims. You're telling people or teach you how to make $5,000 in one day. YouTube is against these types of content. All right, they view it as unrealistic or too good to be true. All right, so they see these contents as misleading, even though you're sharing your honest experience, your honest opinions. YouTube is still against it. So you need to know how to share these types of content. But the best option for me is to avoid this niche because YouTube is currently taking down a lot of videos. As you can see, on YouTube Large, this channel with 1.5 million subscribers is currently not monetized because YouTube gave this channel some strikes. Okay, now I faced the same issue and I posted a video on how people can, make money online by watching videos. YouTube had to bring that particular video down. Make money online by listening to music, sorry, saying it violates their community guidelines. Even though the site I talked about, for me, I've tried it and it worked for me, YouTube still did not want it. Okay, so instead of doing this type of content, it's better you do reviews, you review passive income sources instead, or you do, well-known passive income methods like affiliate marketing, things which are known, instead of doing these side hustle stuff like that. You don't want to do it. Another niche you should avoid, or another thing you should avoid on your channel is, you know, doing promotion for brands which are very shady or not well known. You understand? Some brands will contact you for people in this niche to do promotions for them. Meanwhile, these brands are some sort of fraud and stuff like that. And when some things goes wrong, YouTube is going to put a strike on your video because people might trust you and want to do business with these brands, but along the line things go south. You understand? And they might come back and report that particular video. So YouTube is going to put a strike and take the video down. All right. So you want to avoid this niche. And even if you want to do it, you want to be very honest. Okay, I want to know how to do it. Okay, and one thing about this niche is you can never be too careful. That's just the truth. You can never be too careful on this particular niche. Another niche you should avoid is, anything controversial, politics, health. All right, health. anything which is very controversial, avoid it as a beginning content creator. Even if you are an already established content creator, you might not see the effect today, but I tell you, it might affect you even after you get monetized. All right, they might still strike you. So you want to avoid anything controversial. Those of you in the health niche, you want to be very careful. Sharing health tips you're not sure of might get you a community guideline strike. Talking about something you're not sure of might put you in trouble. All right, politics, anything you're not sure of, don't talk about it on your channel. Okay, you want to be very careful. This YouTube street is not friendly. I've been a victim and I don't want to fall victim too. So avoid these niches. One, they make money online niche. Two, health. Anything which is controversial, avoid it. Or you want to do deep research before talking about anything. You want to make sure whatever thing you're sharing on this space is very safe and true and realistic. It's real. All right. Once YouTube considers it unrealistic or misleading, they bring it down and strike you immediately. And trust me, once you get 3 strikes in a row, within a period of 90 days, your channel gets deleted. So you don't want to fall victim to this. If you got value watching this content, please give this video a like, give this channel a subscribe, and also share this video. See you in a subsequent episode. Bye.